Jai Shri Ram. Trivia from the Mahabharata. Bhishma's flag was a large Palmyra standard with 5 stars. Palmyra standard. Talena Mahata Bhishmaha Panchatarina Ketuna. Vimaladitya Sankasha Stathau Kuru Chamupari. So large Palmyra with 5 stars. Ashwadhama, his flag bore the device of a lion's tail. Padmavarna Stvanikanam Sarvesham Agratasthitaha Ashwadhama Yayau Yattaha Simhalangula Ketuna. And Drona had on his flag the device of a Vedi, a golden altar adorned with a water pot and a figure of a bow. Jambu Nadamayi Vedi Kamandalu Vibhushita Keturacharya Mukhyasya Dronasya Dhanusha Saha. The standard of Duryodhana, his flag bore the device of an elephant made in gems and jewels. Aneka Shata Sahasram Anika Manukarshataha Mahan Duryodhana Syasin Nago Manimayo Dhvajaha. So Duryodhana's flag was an elephant made in gems and jewels, and Jayadratha's flag had the picture of a wild boar, Adavi Pandi. Anika Pramukhe Tishtan Varahena Mahayashaha Shushubhe Ketu Mukhyena Rajatena Jayadrathaha. Placing himself at the head of his troops with a beautiful silver standard which bore the device of the boar. Jayadratha was looking effulgent. And Bhagadatta, he was riding an elephant, and he looked like Indra. Tejasa Dipyamanastu Varanottama Masthitaha Bhagadattu Yayau Raja Yadha Vajradharastatha. Bhagadatta. So Bhagadatta was the king of Assam. He was the leader of all the Chinas and Kiratas. China was, in fact,